Hello, hard hats, and welcome back to Construction Simulator, Stage 2, or actually Part 2 of the Launchpad as we continue. The first job of the day is to get these drilled down into the soil. My experience with the drill, well, is getting better, so we'll see how it goes today. Let's go ahead and lift these up. And yeah, just to refresh everyone's memory, because I've been told, and I did realize this, there is actually a crane or a hook that you could use on the drill itself to put these in place, but I prefer to use this crane system here, only because I find it easier. Well, I shouldn't say I find it easier. I really haven't tried the other way. It just seems a little bit more harder to get in place, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. But since we got this set up here, we're going to go ahead and do it this way. All right, let me move that to the side there because I'll need it again. Maybe I'll try the hook on the drill itself, possibly. I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to move the tractor from where it is to actually get the pipe and put it in place. All right, let's see how this goes. Let me turn like that here. All right, it says it's there. Actually, that looks pretty darn good. Or is that on the... I don't know if that's on the crane or... Can I have a different view, please? I don't like that view. No, that's on the crane. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Yep, change modes. That'd be good. Nope, I want to go ahead and do it like this. So the other side, where it's got this, like the pivot point into it, that is for the cable. All right, I want to get this all the way down as far as possible. Let's connect it. Push it on in. So we're doing the bottom one in the upper left-hand corner. Let me just keep on drilling, and hopefully we get all the dirt out. There, I think we got it all. Perfect. Let's lift this up. All right, now give that a little shimmy shake. So how do I do the crane now? Or the cable part of it? You know what? I think I'm just going to use the way I know how to do it. I could faff around here all day long trying to get that cable lined up correctly to move the tractor. The tractor is already in place perfectly for putting the pipe in, so let's just do it that way. Yeah, I'll have to run over here, but you know what? I need my exercise. Hopefully we can get these in before it gets too dark. Uh-oh. Somebody did not do this well. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to be able to get it on, am I? No, we're kind of in the way here. Maybe if I go around the drill. Of course, now I can't see where we are. And now all the controls are backwards for me, so I don't know which way is which. All right, we got it. Nope. Yeah, this is way worse. There we go. We're good. Oh, we're on the camera. Wow, this is going all wrong. All right, let's snap that into place. All right, and let's get the crane over to here next. And I think what I'm going to do, so it's not going to be in the way, let's hook up to it now and move it to the side. There we go. That's good. All right, let's run over to the other side. Wait, can I just run it straight across here? Well, that's a lot easier than running all the way around. Rotate this back around. This should be already lined up. Perfect. All right, don't connect it yet. Wait until you're all the way down, then connect. Okay, the pipe is in. And the drill, I keep pushing it down till we get all the dirt out. Still waiting on that. Perfect. Alright, now we can move over to the other one after I get this pipe out. First I'm going to move this over here just to shake the dirt off it. Perfect. Alright, change modes. At least I remember to do that. Let me back up a little bit. No, rotate it this way. That looks good. Change modes. And that is lined up perfectly. This one should go a lot easier than the first one did. We got the practice in now. Although it's not like the vehicle assembly building where I had to do, I don't know, like 12 of these? Right now it's just 2. Okay, raise this up so it's all set, and then we'll shake off the dirt. Alright, let's get over here, back into the crane for a brief second. And then we'll have to pour some concrete. Look how quick that was. Almost like a pro on the second one. I said almost. There we go, we're in. Lock into the pipe. Pipe is in. 71%. Still digging up more dirt. 73, 74, 75. Alright, and give that a little shim. Nope, not up high enough yet. Now it's up high enough. Alright, I'm going to leave that there because I feel like I might have to do more than 2. And I'm going to offset the front of the cab a little bit to make this easier. I might be parking too close for what we're doing. Where I say unleash the beast. Alright, turn the pouring on. Turn that on. And we are filling up with concrete. It's taking a moment, but it'll fill up. %. Yeah, we'll probably get this step done here. And if there's nothing that's relatively quick, we might move on to the next morning right away. Sounds kind of quiet, but it sounds like it's going in. I can see the numbers going up. But at least drilling in these pipes went easier than the vehicle assembly building. Had to learn a little bit on that, but we weren't on level enough ground, as we found out. Clear the marked area. Well, so much for just leaving everything where it is. Alright, probably going to use that very soon. We got more rebar sitting over in the building materials section. Let me rotate this around here so I know which way was forward. Alright, just back up, get out of the blue line area and see what happens. Yeah, we'll definitely sleep through the night at this point because it's getting kind of dark. Okay, we clear the marked area. There it goes. There it goes. Alright, let's go ahead and jump on out here. Yeah, let's go ahead and just sleep through the night, but I'm going to run over to the crane. I'm going to sleep by the crane. In case something happens, I can always climb up the ladder, right, and get myself away from trouble. You never know. You just never know. Let's see, we got to do pipe element. Is that around here? Actually, before it gets too dark, I'll have a look around. Is this pipe element? I think so. There's 3 of them there, and I need to move 3 of them. Bulk material transport, which is 2 of these, and of course, pallet of... Yeah, so everything's here. Everything's all set to go. Coffee break. Let's go to morning hours. All right. And let's move over to this side here. All right, since we are here, we're going to grab, I guess, the bags first, or at least one of the bags. Alright, so maybe these are the pipe elements I gotta move. Yeah, these are the pipe elements we gotta move. Alright, let's move these. They're right here, so this should be quick. I thought it was the other 3 things on the other side, but it didn't quite look like pipes to me, but there was 3 of them there. And one more. Kind of hoping we get up to about 70% done with the entire job today, but we'll see how it goes. All right, second bag coming up. I'm going to rotate around this way this time. Moving the crane way too fast. Safety third on my job site. Alright, concrete elements. Need 2 of those. And those are the 2 that we got. Gently put it in place. As gently as I do. Actually, there's still more material there than I thought there originally was. Unpack material, is that what we're doing next? Hey, look at that, unpack material. Got twisted around there for a second. Is that going to cover up the pipe? Oh, yeah, a whole bunch of stuff got done there without us doing anything. All right, back into the crane. Got some more stuff to move around. Almost looks like almost everything that we have left. All right, 2 ceiling components, 2 pallet of concrete framework, rebar mesh, and cable drum. Well, ceiling component is right here. Let's go ahead and grab that. Okay, 2 ceiling components, 2 framework. So is it everything but... I think it's everything but 1 item there. Anything going here? Nope. Nothing going there. That's for something else. Those must be the package of tower steel beams. Looks like these are going right here. And we'll just keep spinning around the same direction, I suppose. And we'll finish off these ceiling components. All right. I feel like grabbing the rebar mesh just to knock that off the checklist there. And this time I'll swing around this way, just keep changing it up. Keep you guys on your toes, not knowing which way I'm going to rotate the crane. Alright, so the drum goes right here as well. So we'll probably grab that next. Over to this corner here. A lot of crane work, and I think it's going to lead to some concrete work here in a moment. And I assume the pallet of concrete formwork is going to go just to the left of where we just placed that down. Too far. Back over. It's going to leave 1 lonely pallet of material left on its own. And 1 more package of tower steel beams. I may have to go get those. So I think I gotta go get. Could be. Probably have to unpack more material. Surprise, surprise. I'm just going to put the crane over here because I think I'm going to have to go get that stuff. Because that's where it wants it. And I don't see a pile anywhere. Let's face this way. That way when it gets teleported over there, we'll see if it gets done. Oh, they'll even pour the concrete for us. Unpackage more material. Okay. And next we'll have to pour for the walls, right? You're going to make me do the walls at least. Yeah, pour the walls. Before we do that, though, let me see about the tower steel beams. Where's my truck? There it is. All right, steel beams. Nope, come on, man truck. Let me in. Steel trade. Enter. Number of parts, 6. Well. Alright, we'll purchase this. I think we're at that stage there, so we'll grab those. Now let's go down. Fast travel. It gave us 4 parts, but we only need 3, I think, for the entire job. But, well, these, it says 4, never mind. 4 and 4. For some reason I thought it said 3, but then again, you should know me at this part. I can't read, apparently. Ah, camera. All right, hopefully these should snap on to this flatbed, I would assume. Let me get as close as I can. Yep, these will snap on. Although if they don't snap on, as we have seen, you can just put them on the trailer itself and then transport them. As long as you drive reasonably, which I never do. But you can get it up to the job site. Part of me wants to grab the other material, but we'll come back down later on and get it, I think. Nope, can you move over just a little bit? That's good for me. Reset. Put it in drive mode. And yep, we'll just fast travel up here because it's cheap and easy. Quick and easy, cheap and easy. Terms I use a lot, apparently. Where are we at? Yeah, we'll just drive closer to the crane. If I park over here, I'm kind of off the job site, so it won't be anything I have to move later on. Yeah, we'll just use this crane to do it. I could have used either crane, but I think this will be a better option for myself. It's one of these jobs where you got to pick it up, put it down, and then it's going to assemble something, and then I'll be picking those up to put them somewhere else. Alright, one more to go. And let's see, you're going to assemble something. Yep. Alright, let's put these pillars in. Oh, apparently they're just going right here. Oh, it was green. We all saw that. I even waited a second just to make sure it was going to stay green, and just as I clicked it, apparently, the game was like, no. No, it wasn't quite green enough, apparently. Alright, I like those last 2 tries I did. And now the last one for this step anyways. Alright, okay. Let's just keep putting the steel parts together here. I feel like I'm assembling this to put it elsewhere. Well, maybe not. No, it's on concrete pads, so I guess this is staying here. Might actually be doing a lot of steel building in this one, not actually concrete pouring. I don't feel like rotating it today, so we'll just go ahead and get it in place like that. Alright, another one to go. And let's see what else they decide to have us put together on this. Maybe another 4 for the top layer. Clear the marked area, tower segment. Is that something that's here? As I spin around, looking for what I might be doing. Got a lot of steel left over. Oh, so maybe I am lifting that and putting it in place. Am I going to be able to do that with this crane? We do have the mobile crane somewhere. Oh, there it is, across over there. Well, let's go ahead and get this concrete poured in. We should be able to reach the other corner. I think we'll reach it good enough. Yeah, that's going to be good enough. Yeah, we'll have to fill up with some concrete here in just a second. Perfect. And the machine's not empty. We already got a filled game. Either park too close, too far away. I'm glad the concrete doesn't pour wherever you got it going. Only goes in where it's supposed to. All the messes I would have created on job sites would be... It'd be a lot. Let's just say it like that. Oh wait, 92%? Okay, wait a minute. See a little bit of spot right here we got to get. It's still... Oh, wait a minute. I see. Never mind. It was not paying attention to the center. Oh, this camera's just spinning around on me constantly. Set it myself. Alright. Let me go ahead and I'm going to reset the boom itself. And you know what? I'm going to move this out of the way. Alright, so the question is that crane going to be able to lift this, this massive hunk of steel that we just created? Nope, cannot. Alright, that's no problem. We got our mobile crane right over there. But what we can do is get this ceiling elements put in. Since we're already sitting in the crane, might as well get it done. Three more pieces to go. I think when I took this job, it said the time frame for doing the entire job wasn't too long. But it doesn't seem like we're actually getting that far up on the entire completion of the job done today. But then again, as we've seen, sometimes you do one small thing and it'll go up a whole bunch. If you want to take it like that, that's fine by me. The other times you got to work quite a bit just to get some work done. Alright, I think what we'll do is maybe park the mobile crane like right here, hook it up and then swing it over to there. I think that will work. Or yeah, we'll do it as I said, I think. Up we go. And start swinging her over. I think I'm over. There we go. Turn green. I'll lower it a little bit more. Perfect. I'll probably be building another one, I'm guessing, because the rockets are kind of tall. Yep, so we'll leave that right there. All right, let's build another tower. Probably going to be like 3 or 4 stages of this, I'm thinking. Maybe 4, because wasn't there like 4 floors on the vehicle assembly building? May have been. So when I saw the concrete pads here, they must be just footings to support the weight so it doesn't sink into the soil as we build it. We still got 2 piles of steel sitting over here. And And we saw more material is going to be needed from the steel factory in the next stage. Ah, so it's not the same beams as we put in the first setup. Now we're doing the angle brackets. All right, let's get the farthest one. Seems like this day is going by quickly for some reason. There's nothing in the way. It was in the way of itself. Alright, so we know this crane cannot manage that, so let's jump out of this one. Retract the crane here. It's going to be somewhere. Oh, too high, too low. There we go. I'll get it at some point. Perfect-ish. And look at that. We get to build another one, I assume. And we'll get that crane somewhat close here. I'm racing the clock. Trying to get it done before dark. Although the steel beams that are in the pile right at the bottom of the screen, those don't seem to be depleting at all. Come on. Why won't you... Am I hitting... Of course I am. Of course I'm hitting the other crane. Of course I am. The harder I try, or at least I don't think I'm in the way, the more likelihood that I will be in the way. All this for about an extra foot. There's that one. And of course we know after we get this in place, I'll have 3 or 4 more beams to put in somewhere. And we're back to the original 4 that we did on the first one. I'll probably get these 4 put in, and then we'll put this on across the way with the big crane, and we'll probably have to call it a day. And we'll sleep through the night and continue on. Although I don't want to get too lazy in putting these in place. These beams fall down, and it falls down in the wrong angle. It's going to be hard to get it out. I almost did drop it. Come on, son, just stay up a little bit longer if you could. Then we could start in the morning pouring the ceiling with concrete. Get the crane out of the way. As I always try to get things out of the way and just actually leave it in the way. Alright, let's get this in place. We'll call it. We'll take a nice long coffee break. Yep, just as we are getting ready to be there. Let me raise this up all the way here. And look at that, we got to build another one. Surprise, surprise. Right, this time I'm not going to swing it too far around. I don't want it to be in the way. Alright, coffee break time. See you in the morning. Alright, let's switch up a little bit and go pour that concrete into the ceiling. Jump into our Scania. If I park pretty much where I did before, we should be all set, right? Actually, I don't think I want to park that close. All right, pouring on there, pouring on here. I will say, overall, with the concrete pumps, I have gotten so much better with them, but then again, I'm using them more and more. In the early stages of these concrete pumps, I was jump cutting because it was too painful, I'm sure, to watch. %84 done. Uh, 97. Got a spot right here I could get. 98. Looks like I could use some more in this corner. 99. They really want me to get this whole whole section right here. That will do it. Yeah, okay, we'll continue after I get the camera in a better spot. Like always. I'm always fighting the camera. Alright, now I kind of wish I parked closer because now these are further away. But we'll get done what we can get done here. Who knows? Maybe I'll get up the wall done. I'm going to be able to reach there. Not quite. There. Well, I'm hitting... Okay, I'm hitting actually the tower we put up. Is that going up anymore? No, okay, we're done with that. That's why. Is that going up? No, it's not going up. Now it's going up. I think I got all I can there. Nope, still going to hit that. So I'm going to have to get it. Nope, we're still hitting there. Is that good enough? Yeah, that'll work. So I may not actually have to go onto the other side. We may actually get enough of it done here. Clear the marked area, so let's go ahead and reset that. And looks like more ceiling elements need to go in. Alright, so either way, we got to get back into the crane. The stationary crane. Well, we are here, so let's go ahead and grab these. And once we get this built, we'll get the ceiling in before we jump back into the mobile crane to get this piece over to the other side. So am I going to go back doing the 3 beams at the angles? Or am I going to get the 4 beams going straight across? I'm thinking the 3 beams with the angles, because that seems to be the pattern. Or the 4 beams at the very top. You want to snap into there or not? There you go. And we got more steel to pick up afterwards on the next stage. Actually, we still got more steel, I think, in a pile behind us. But maybe it'll get all used up here. And step number 4. of 4. Right, move that over to here now, and we'll get the ceiling components put in. Alright, so you need to be apparently... Oh, yeah. Don't worry, that's not... That concrete's fine. Concrete ceiling's fine. This ceiling slash floor, because I'm guessing there's going to be another stage to this, probably will crumble apart in a couple years for the amount of banging I'm doing on it before I even get it in place. At least let's get one of these down kind of smoothly, can we? Yeah, I mean, 1 out of 4 getting up here nice and smoothly, that we'll call that good. 3 out of 4 smashing into everything. Concrete the ceiling. Let me go ahead and move this crane out of the way. And we'll jump into the other crane. We'll move this monstrosity on top of that, I think. Oh, yeah, that's right. I always want to get back where the crane is, but you got to get into here, actually. Alright, start extending out the crane. We'll actually get it more over. I don't want to drop it that far. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and reset this. Be quicker. I think we might be done with it for at least a while. We'll just kind of park it over here for now. And the last job of the day, for the episode anyways, not the day, but for the episode, we will concrete that ceiling. And hopefully this will finish stage C that we're currently on. I wonder if we get enough XP when we finish the stage to actually level up again. Not that what we are doing I need too much more. I think it's just reduced amount of repair or how things wear down and on fuel are the only skill points I got left. Try to park as close as I could. Looks like I'll be able to reach everything here. No, I didn't want to. Alright, well, we'll refill it anyways. Not what I wanted to do. But my fingers were working faster than my brain. I'm going to make sure I cover almost everything that I can, because as we have seen concreting over here. Oh, did I park? Yeah, I parked too close to the to the tower again. Maybe not. No, looks like I got myself some room. I saw on the other stages, though, I pretty much have to do everything to get it to 100%. Nope. There we go. That was too far over. %, 99%, and of course that little piece there. Clear the marked area. Apparently I already did. I'm going to reset this and put it in driving mode. I'm going to back it up a little bit out of the way because some stuff may still need to spawn there. Still see the planks of wood there, so my guess is something's going to go there in the near future. Well, I was kind of hoping to get up to about 66% done today, but, you know, we got the work done, and we're up to almost 50% done. We got the tower up. Ooh, that looks kind of interesting. Yeah, those are right here. I'm guessing I'm probably going to have to use the mobile crane. These look really, really heavy, for darn sure. Palette of metal elements, and that is right there. So that'll clear out the building material stuff. Don't know why I'm going to look for it, but it's got to go somewhere, right? And that way maybe I'll actually remember where it needs to go for next time. Oh, there it is. Right over here. Yeah, I think I can get that in with the crane, so I probably should do that first. And then we'll get those 2 beams in. And then go from there. I don't know what the next stage is. I thought I was going to finish Stage C, but I guess not. Stage C seems to be a long process. But anyways, that is going to do it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the episode. I do appreciate you watching as always, and I'll catch you again right here in Construction Simulator. But until then, have a good one.